There was
Was
an
it a
Osprey
bridge?
that landed,
Yeah.
that crash landed.
I've got a question. I've got a question.
We have
Was it
a possible crash to Osprey, and we need to get the cargo and get it fast before the rebels get the cargo out of the area. So we're gonna go in by chopper. We're gonna fuck. What am I doing? So we're right there, and we gotta go here around this area. This is where we're going. So we're gonna have a chopper. We're gonna have 3 designated LZs. We're gonna have a fast LZ if we're getting engaged. If we don't get engaged, we move to the secure LZ, and if we still don't get engaged at all, we're gonna go to the taking candy from a baby LZ, and we're gonna go in fast and get there a little bit faster than we usually would. So immediately for pilots, after we get off landing, I want you to immediately return to a hovering location, hover position around about a click or 2 clicks away from the area of operation, and maybe give us some target spotting. Make sure we get an entire view of the area, see if there's any armor, and make sure you don't get hit by AA, obviously. So keep a little bit farther out so they can't see you. Other than that, fire team leaders, we're going to have a neat line towards Teresa, the city directly south of our LZs. Well, southwest anyways. From there on, we're going to be proceeding directly south on the road to the church area. So where we can get a better vantage point of the area if we still haven't found it. We're going to get this situation on the move when we get there anyways. But when we get to that position, we're going to just scan. I want everyone to scan, make sure you take any opportunities, but don't give away your position if it's not necessary, unless you have to take out the enemy, obviously. So basically, we're going to move in, down Osprey, and get the fuck out after we take all the supplies and blow the fuck up. Oh yeah, any questions?
Am I on Alpha Net or Command Net?
Channel 40.
Okay.
Your position. What's your rank? Fire team leader?
Yeah, fighting leader.
Alright, I'm just gonna pop right onto 31. I don't need 40. I'm gonna have 40 for the pilot and me. And you can switch back if you really need to talk to him, but
MMG is also on 40. MMG is on 40, by the way.
Oh, okay. I mean, do we have MAT or is it just MMG?
Just MMG.
Then MMG just go on 31 with us.
Roger.
We don't need to have it split like that much because you're just going to be talking to about 3 people, so it's not a big deal. And we need a communication between all teams, and so we can get a better grasp of the situation. Anyways, so we have a gunner for our chopper, right?
No.
Yeah, there are
we
many
have
guns
2
on.
pilots.
Oh, I thought we would take 2 helicopters. All right.
I guess that's right, but on your again, pilots, I didn't realize you had 2. When you come back, when you were already dropped off, I want you to have a gun trained on the area from a position. Again, like 3 clicks out. Make sure you can observe the area. All right.
So we are taking 2 choppers?
Yeah, for now. At the start, we'll take 2 choppers.
Who loads into what?
We'll get that situated in just a second here. We have Huey's, correct?
Nope.
Lended to us
Canadian
Canadians.
things.
Yeah.
Canadians.
Yeah, they were nice. Gave them
Anyone have approximate amount they can hold of troops?
6 on the sides, and 1 on the gun, 1 on the gun, 1 in the co-pilot. So 1 fire team and command squad could probably load into 1, and then 1 fire team and MMG into the 2nd.
So Alpha 3 is a small squad, small team, right? Just Rob and someone else?
It's just
Is that
Rob.
correct? Alright, so Alpha 1 and MMG are going to load into the first chopper with Miles. And then Alpha 2 and Rob and myself, we're going to go into the second chopper with Windows. And Silver, you can tag along with Alpha.
Alright.
So, everyone clear what we're going to do?
Yo.
Yep.
Alright. When we get to our position at the LZ, we're going to have a steady perimeter around the area on which LZ we pick. And then we're going to hold our perimeter about 4 minutes, and then we're going to start moving again. Alright? Everyone clear?
Rogio.
Alright,
Yep.
dismissed. Go to your choppers. I need you guys to start altering your altitude to about 20 feet. How copy?
Is this when we get to the LZ?
Bruce,
No, when we
could you
get to the
please
airport.
repeat that? Everyone in my helicopter doesn't shut up.
Alpha 1, please tell all your guys to shut the fuck up.
Could you please repeat your last?
Focus, I need you to go, when you get to that airport area, when you go along the coastline, I need you to follow the coastline at about a low altitude.
Okay, no, Bruce.
A very
please,
low altitude.
This is not possible. This is not possible.
okay,
Everyone keeps talking.
Alpha 1, do you read
Yeah.
me?
Yes, I agree.
Tell your men to shut the fuck up.
I have, but they are not listening.
Focus, do you hear me right now? Focus, do you hear me?
No, Jack.
Focus, do you hear me?
I'm at the airport.
Focus, land the fucking chopper at the airport right now. Land the chopper at the airport. Go at the airport, land.
Got it.
Okay.
No one else get out. Alpha 1 lead, get out of the chopper and get in that chopper 2 right now.
We're being off.
Alpha 1 lead, get the fuck out of the chopper and get into my chopper. Hear me?
Yeah.
Alpha 1 lead over. Hey, guys. Guys, you have to shut the fuck up when I'm talking to my other pilot. He can't hear anything and I can't give him crucial information. I don't want to babysit you, but this is how it's gonna fucking be. Focus, take off and go along the coast to the LZ now. We're landing at fast LZ drop now.
Let's do this American style.
Drop into the rocks.
Power
Powerline, windows. Just drop right here.
Turn the engine off.
Okay, pilots, you're gonna
Fucking
stay in
power
position.
line.
and,
Go,
get the set up.
Go. Shoot at everything that moves.
Can you repeat your last
Remember, pilots, stay in position. Do not leave the area. We're gonna assess the situation.
Alex.
Alright, copy.
What frequency are we on?
Hey guys, get a perimeter set up and just watch the area.
Damn that pilot.
So just get a hover mode around the area and then come back when I'm gonna alert you.
Damn it. Okay.
Copy that. Alpha Squad lead is down to 2 without this. There is a more
Alpha 2, if you see the enemies, please engage them.
in the north, I
Otherwise,
guess.
we're gonna keep moving.
Yeah,
and move to the
we're
next
currently
LZ,
having to
actually.
regroup. Alpha 2 copies. Northwest end of a fast LZ city and 6.6 autocar, I guess.
Whoa, it's a disturbing glitch. If you zoom in with the hammer, it actually shows up on your map if you go into the map.
Oh shit, I got an orchestra heading straight for me.
I'll repeat last. Chopper
Looks
pilot,
like an
repeat
orca
last.
just attempted to strafe me. There's multiple orcas up in the air, I think.
If you need to, get one of the chopper pilots down and get in the gun. Remember, we need to keep you guys up. Orchestrate that between you two. Here, let's move to Alpha 2. Let's go.
On you.
Focus, do you want to do that?
Sure, why not? Just land right here.
Jesus, my throat's dying. Callisto, you got a throat lozenge in your aid kit?
Nah, sorry.
Okay.
What's ironic is I
Well,
have
we
one
can
on my
inject
desk in
some
front of me.
morphine in there, see if
Well,
that does
I
it.
don't think that'll fix.
You might not be able to come on very well, but we'll be able to fix it, heal it.
Stick some opium in my ass.
You got the cars engaging us.
Alright,
But
you're
it's
free to
sta-
fire
it's
on
It's
vehicles that are
stationary and
engaging
the
you.
town doesn't move.
If it's a vehicle like a technical, yes, shoot it.
It's more like an LAV, a BMP, whatever.
If you can disable it, do it. So shoot for the wheels. If not, circle off and keep on orbit of us. That's my spot for MMG. What is that noise? It's like a fan.
Sounds
going
like
on
a
and off.
helicopter.
No, it's like a fan.
It's one of our.
It's like a fan more like in the distance.
Yeah.
It's not even like gunfire. Teddy, no. I'm gonna check the map when we get to this wall up here. Close down.
Roger that.
Alright, Alpha 1 and Alpha 2, just keep moving into the town and get an eye on the southwest. And I'm gonna start getting our plan set up to move.
Alpha 2
Friendly's
copies.
southeast, the friendly's northwest.
Please look at your maps, they've been updated. Also, A1, fall back a little bit towards the town, you're moving without the get-go, alright?
Copy that.
Alright, let's go. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna get to your position A1 and A2, and then we all start moving. We need to start bounding sooner or later, so when we bound to our next position, if anyone remembers the orange dots, I don't care how you get there, you need to move from one point to the other. So bounding needs to start at the solar arrays, and then we need to move into that town and clear it. Over.
Okay, Alpha 1 will have to move up to the dot now.
When Alpha 2 and Alpha 1 are in the position with each other, start moving up to the solar arrays. I'll be right behind you. And then we need to start bounding from the solar arrays to the next town inside the red zone. Over.
You okay, man?
I had to drink something and I just tried to gargle a little bit. Alright, Alpha 1 and Alpha 2, the chopper's gonna get positioned so we can get a little bit better if we get engaged, but start moving towards the solar arrays.
What's up?
Hey Brooks, you forgot about MMG.
We got some off-road MGs on your way,
yeah.
Hello,
so watch
Where
out
are
for armored vehicles.
Move out. Yada, you're on point.
Headed where? Down the road?
Towards solar array, yeah.
You're just attached to Alpha 1, alright? Just how have you been doing?
Alpha, Alex, take point. We're heading to the dot on the map where it takes boundaries to start.
Alright, Alpha 1, I want you to start bounding first before A2. Start moving towards the orange marks from your orange mark over. MMG, just keep on the lookout and overwatch while they move, and you're moving with us. And then after that, attach with Alpha 1 again.
Is bounding an American type?
Bounding is pretty much pairing up and moving in twos, not the entire team together.
Oh, okay. Because yeah, we British aren't friendly.
What do they call it?
Yeah, guys, big hut's clear. Sadly, there's no burgers left.
Alright. Red burger. The fuck? Oh, dude, Freezy Pops. Oh, there's nothing in here.
Ah, really? They leave.
Would you like me to take your order?
No, I'm good. Alright, guys. That's a
So I'm
down
eating
perimeter
pizza.
watching southwest. Come on. Come on. Put a wall over there. Come on. We're not sitting down. We're officially now behind enemy lines.
Never knew that.
Well, I don't like telling people that. MMG, start coming back to us to the south. Copy. Alpha 1, give a halt. Over. Alpha 1 and Alpha 2, check your maps. I updated them. Over.
Copy. Alpha 1 copies that.
Alpha 2, copy it.
We're gonna follow that one. We're giving all this shit hold right now.
Is that Mosaic?
Roger that.
Revo.
No.
Much Loch Ness.
Much.
Whoever made this mission, thank you for giving me 13 mags.
Yeah, I have 12.
I have 8 and I'm LMG. I've been given.
Very happy.
Alright,
I
Alpha 1 is
feel
Alpha
it.
2,
I
let's
feel
keep
very
going and, start
inferior.
moving.
I have a
Over.
mere 6.
Well, you should.
AA1 and A2, just give me a sit rep on morale right now.
Alpha 1 is currently 400 meters.
Yeah.
I need a sit rep on
that-
morale.
He asked me why Alpha. Okay, so I think.
How are you guys doing?
Doing alright.
This is pretty intense.
This is Alpha 1. I just thought nothing but.
It is, I know, we're going to turn the corner.
So I'm
and
gonna say
then
we're
there's
doing
gonna be
fine,
shouting
but we
and
won't mind
gunfire,
speed
it'll
break.
be horrible.
Alright, when we get to Alpha 1 and start moving separately, I want everyone to hold so we can get Alpha 2 into position. After that, Alpha 1.
Yep, okay, copy.
And we can take a stammy and get moving.
Alpha Squad leader South 2, there's contacts from at the Overwatch position.
Give me contacts like sit rep, over.
Oh, command, this is Alpha 1, are we allowed to engage?
Select units engage on the go, but don't engage with a lot of guns. Alpha 1 and Alpha 2 sit rep. Alpha 1 repeat.
Alpha 1, we have just one man, we've got a one-man captain.
One man down, you say?
Yep,
Alright, Callisto. Oh, where's Silver? Hold here. Alpha 2, you got Silver on you?
Alpha 1, he's confirmed dead.
What was that?
Confirmed dead.
Copy that.
Okay, you up there, up?
Hey, Alpha 2, can you send Silver over to Alpha 1 now? Over.
Copy.
Fuck. Now they're getting a medic, because Alpha Alex left.
Command, this is Alpha 2. We could move up to this building to the southwest and get good eyes on the overwatch position.
Yeah, we've lost our MG gunner.
Copy that. Alpha 2, I need a perimeter on our movement towards you. How copy?
This gun is floating. Oh.
Command, this is Alpha 1. We're just getting medical treatment quickly.
Copy that, Alpha 1. I'm gonna be en route to Alpha 2. Alpha 2, how do you copy on the perimeter guarding us as we move towards you?
Alpha 2 has just moved to a new position. We can get perimeter here if you want.
Oh, we need to move to our overwatch position. We need to get there right now.
Jadbot, you're being attached to Alpha 1 as their AAR.
Okay. Okay.
Alright. Alpha 2, I need you to get in a position to watch over Alpha 1, and Alpha 1 commence in about
Do we have
40 seconds. I'll copy.
Repeat.
Alpha 1, I need you to get in position to start moving in on the town. Alpha 2 is going to get into overwatch position
Copy
right
that,
now.
Yanni.
MMG, remember, get into your overwatch position, Alpha 2. Over.
Copy that.
Alright, guys. Break. Get in position.
Where is it? Where?
Left.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
One doing each.
There's a lot of left.
Press U, Jardbot.
Yeah, I'm doing the friendly dance.
Hey, Duskflame, join on Duck. Join on Duck.
Hi. I can't really join on you. Oh, there we go.
Duck's
Oh, there's
right
the
here.
Osprey.
Remember, just press U.
Okay.
Alpha
He's
1
right
and
here.
Alpha 2,
Or
I've
T,
spotted
whatever
the
it is.
Osprey.
T or U.
Yeah, I can't join on him.
Can't really? Mouse wheel over?
Right,
Can't?
Jawbots. Have you switched
Nope,
to
you
can help this.
31.1?
What channel you guys are?
31.1.
30...
Bye,
can-
Yanni.
Bye.
337.
I
Come
can
on,
hit
this
it
is
from
Alpha
here.
1. We're back up to 4 members. Over.
Copy that, Alpha 1. 337.
Do we have to get the goods?
Well,
Yeah.
you see on the map A1. Hold. That's where we're heading in a minute when we get orders.
Yep. Gotta figure out where we're gonna bound from.
Right, okay, Alpha, get ready to move. We're gonna move down to the road.
BTR,
west.
BTR, holy shit, northwest bearing is 1 kilometer out, don't worry, bearing 295, 1 kilometer out at the town. Actually, not 1 kilometer out. 1, 2, 3, 400
I see
meters.
Yeah.
entering the road.
You probably could hit that from here.
Yeah, you want me to go for
What
it?
bearing is it?
Fucking 3, I lost it, 300-ish.
Yeah, 315 or something like that.
Right.
I could hit it if it pops up again. It's hidden
Alright,
in
you
the,
in Alpha 1?
urban...
Yeah.
I have.
Fuck's sake.
So, hey, Alpha 1, are you gonna get a move on or what?
Yeah, well, you guys ready?
Where's that armor that I can
I'm
hear?
already,
Okay, come on, this is Alpha 1. We're gonna start moving now.
Am I clear to
Alright.
fire if that
Alpha,
armor
on me.
pops up?
It's right there, by the
Where
way.
is it?
Where is right there? Command, where are you?
Sorry, my thing's not popping up for some reason. What the hell?
See this.
It's
Oh, I
about
see
at
it.
320.
Yeah, 320 moving
It's
right.
moving into the trees, though. It was open, it was wide open a while ago, so just give it a second and then to see it again. And you have totally
Again,
permission
hold
to
on,
fire
hold
if
on,
you get
hold
a
on.
very
Just
clear
where,
shot.
I need you. God damn it. Fucking move,
320
people.
degrees, very far out.
Very far out in those those tall
it
trees,
almost
those
seems like
firs. Those fir
if-
trees.
Yeah, the tall trees.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. Free to engage.
If you can totally hit it, I don't want you to take a shot and miss, okay?
Got it. That's
And
it.
boom.
I
That
think you
hit it.
got it.
Yep, crew bailed. Fucking beautiful.
Nice job.
Fucking beautiful.
All right, Alpha 1, get commenced on if you're still here.
Oh, yeah.
Nice shot, Yanni.
Thank you.
I had my
Dude,
doubts.
that was like 600.
I had my doubts on that one.
600. That was crazy.
All right, just keep a watch on Alpha 1, all right?
600 kilometers, 600 meters. Ah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
You got that, guys?
Yeah, we've got a lot of MMGs up here, so.
All right.
Where's Alpha 1, by the way?
Look on the map.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they're
They're
west
about-
of us.
Meh. 200 meters away.
Dude, fuck, I feel brilliant right now. That was amazing. Oh, yeah.
Command, quick question.
Yep, go ahead.
There's currently no medic with Alpha 1.
That's
Would you like
correct.
one of us to attach, or?
I just saw
Keep
contact move through a bush at 3:30.
Silver?
We light it up?
Yeah.
We got so much ammo.
You here?
No.
Yeah,
it
I'm right
didn't
here.
know me.
Oh,
It's just
Alpha
running
2 was
out.
supposed to alert you
ammo.
that
Just
attached
let
to
us
Alpha
waste
1.
it.
I'm sorry.
Come
No.
on. Come on,
Oh my
Doc.
gosh.
No.
I don't think they alerted you.
Doc.
They're not
They
that
did
far
not.
away. If you
Doc,
try to
come on,
catch up, you might
please.
get them.
It's a single
Okay,
guy.
on
Yeah,
it.
come on. We can light them up. Think about it.
No.
We got
Nope.
an LMG and an MMG, Doc.
What are you looking at, guys?
One contact that we could light up so fucking hot with all our guns. It'd be beautiful.
I think it's safer
But-
to not shoot.
God damn it.
I mean, I already see the Osprey. It's not like we don't know where it is.
Well, yeah, but lights. We can make awesome things happen and explosions and pew pew.
Yeah, we just hold it your Alpha 1 hold, and when we get into our position, move into the Osprey's location on the map. Do you copy that, Alpha 1?
Heat loss.
Do you copy that, Alpha 1?
Yeah, negative. I wasn't listening.
Do you
So
see
I
the
was
plan
directing
I laid
Alpha.
out for Alpha 2's path? Over.
Yeah, I see it.
Alright, just hold it Alpha 1's hold mark, and wait for Silver to come and get a shadow on you.
Actually, this may be effective.
Alright, Alpha 1, I want you to get a perimeter on the northwest end of the Osprey, watching the area to the northwest of the Osprey, obviously. How copy?
Yeah, I want to get on the outright side, maybe.
Alpha 1 copies that. We're acting on that now.
Alright, just move up about 100 or 150 meters to the edge. I'll mark it.
Is it just me, or do we have 20 plus contacts on the ridge to the west of that hill during 260?
Alright, Alpha 1, we're going to start moving towards the Osprey. Can you get a little bit of sight on the Osprey on the fields around it? Over.
Taking it slow, Doc. Very, very slow. We have a box behind the Osprey, northwest, bearing 30. Yeah, 305. We have a box behind the Osprey.
Copy.
Friendly chopper wreck is to our southwest, direct southwest now.
Alpha 1, we are 50 meters out from the Osprey wreck. How copy?
Alpha 1 copies that.
Alpha 2, hold. Hold. Scan the area before we move in.
Got anything right there, down?
I see movement at 280.
Movement
I need a
280, possibly
confirmation.
friendly.
I need a confirmation, guys.
Movement 280, definite.
Definite movement at 280 between 280 and 300.
285.
I think I got a contact in the
technical.
ridge line.
There is a technical on
Yeah,
the map.
I see
couldn't-
1, 2, 8,
Alpha 1, you need a confirmation. Do you see a technical west of our position? How
Copy that
copy?
contact.
Lasers on it.
If you have your night vision on, we have lasers on the guys. Alpha 1, I need you to converge and
Southwest of
check
the
out
Osprey, tactical,
where the
just
Osprey,
southwest.
where the off-road is. We need to find that.
Copy
Yeah,
that.
dusk,
Alpha
we have
1
to
moving
move,
towards
oh,
the
beautiful. Even did it. Raj, we're getting dusk on it, I think, maybe. Oh shit, it's right there.
Tactical where?
Literally
where's
west,
the technical?
direct west.
Direct west?
Look at it, we got our lasers on it. Use NVGs.
I see it, don't worry.
Should we engage? I mean, that thing's gonna fucking light us all up.
Hey, hey, Alpha 1, if you converge on a location, the road
can get
between
it
you
now.
and us, where the question mark is on the map,
Dusk
you
can
can
get it
totally
now.
ambush the enemy troops with the technical. I need you to get in position and take out them, and we'll
Dusk can get it now.
join fire on you.
Dusk can get
Dusk.
it right now.
Dusk, hold fire until Alpha 1 gets in position. They're
Yep,
right
I'm
on
holding.
them. They're right on them.
Watch Alpha 1
Alpha
just
1,
fire
do you
over
have
that.
a target in sight? Over.
Alpha 1 has eyes on a technical
losing it.
and some hostile.
Copy. We're gonna fire on fact 5 seconds. Copy that.
Copy.
Alpha 1 lost sight on the technical bot.
Alpha
yeah,
1
copy
and
that.
Alpha 2 engage.
Watch the crossfire.
Get their retreat, Alpha 1. We're starting with that. Nice shot. Alpha 2 disengage on Alpha 1.
Roger, disengaging.
Alpha, disengage over
Gravity,
here.
disengage.
Dusk, over there. You hear me? Disengage.
Disengaged.
Oh, that guy
Already
over
been
there.
No,
Who's
disengaged.
that?
that was down with gravity.
Oh, okay.
I told him to disengage.
Alright. Alright, Alpha 1, clean up that mess over there and we'll move on to the Osprey. How copy?
Copy that. Alpha 1 doing action now.
Alright, let's move on to the
That's
Osprey,
Alpha 1.
guys.
That's Alpha 1.
Let's move up.
Jesus, that would have been close if we fired on Alpha 1. Hey, slow or tactical? Which one? Or normal?
You're just gonna go at a pace where you can see
What?
everything.
Yeah, that's slow.
I bet a normal commander would have just totally rushed to the Osprey without looking.
Yep, and then we would have all died because
Yep.
of the technical. Good job, Brooks.
Yeah, I know.
Brilliant
I'm
job.
special.
You're special. You know what you're doing. You got it. Box to the left. That might be IED or some shit.
Alright.
I shall
You mean like the ammo box that we're supposed to
No,
capture?
duck. No, duck, please.
Duck!
No,
I didn't
Robinson.
get promoted to fire team lead to not.
Approach the box slowly.
Oh,
What's in the box?
Great
Alright,
7
secure.
secured.
We secured it.
Grade 7.
Box is no longer hostile.
Copy that. And
No
interior
hostiles
hospital.
inside the office.
Roger. We look clear.
Has lost value.
Alpha 1,
Yes,
can you get a
hello.
sweep to our northwest and north of our position along the road? How copy?
Alpha 1's moving to northwest now.
I'm gonna take cover
Copy
inside
that.
the hospital.
You
Oh,
can't.
Can't.
Oh, there we go. Oh, now I'm stuck. I regret.
We requested.
Decision.
Alright, apparently, is this the only equipment that we have to search for?
That's it.
Alright.
We now need to
Alright,
blow up
Alpha
the
1,
Osprey.
get us search on the northwest of our position and the north, and then come on our
They-
location at
they
the Osprey.
drag this from the sea floor? Why is there